I'm not gonna show you what's going on behind camera. Just know there's some bad things going on. But what's up, Bread Gang? Today is a very special day. I'm trying to get this video in before it gets dark because it's a great thing. I have something great to show you. Y'all can see it in the thumbnail, but thumbnails never do it justice. I'm not gonna tell you, just go take a look at the thumbnail. I'm gonna tell y'all right now, 100 likes on this video, that's not too crazy, 100 likes, and I will put these 24x14 American Forces powder coated red that just happen to be Chevy 6-lug with adapters, but they're originally Chevy 6-lug, onto my truck in the next video. 100 likes, you have your challenge. Go.
That's what I'm talking about. I drilled one in the back of his head.
Nope. Oh, jeez. That's a single.
Ready? Yep,
go. Oh.
Hold up.
Hey, be careful of the wrap, man.
Tailgate's getting redone.
Alright,
you can see why if you go look closely at it.
Yeah.
Damn, no, you're big, bro. Can't stand this kid.
Without further ado, the beautiful, I believe 2016, 2017, 2018, one of them, F-150 with the 24x14 red American Forces. He doesn't have the spike lug nuts on yet. I am the first one. Oh Lord, this could get interesting. I am the first one to be able to take a look at these, and they are absolutely beautiful. Y'all know I want to redo my truck, and this is definitely something that I would love to do to my truck at some point. I can't get over how much I love this red, and y'all know I have a little bit of red on the powder coat. So when he gets rid of these might end up on the truck with some 375s. You never know. We'll talk with him about that, but I love these. I do want to take a look at the wrap. He has wrapped this entire thing. He did it himself. It's like a matte, sparkly white. I'm gonna have to get my phone up next to it, but it's such a beautiful truck. I pulled around the corner over there, and I was just like, dang, this thing is clean. Like, that is so sexy. So he's got the rock lights. I won't get up close on the lift yet. He's about to redo the lift. It's gonna be kind of like a dark blue, so we're gonna have white, red, white, and blue. Yeah, red, white, and blue. Got the bow tie over there. Hello. I'm just really excited for that. I hear a rattle can in the background. They're behind the truck right now. I'm not sure what they're doing, but I hear a spray can, and that scares me. We might go see what they're doing, but this is it. I mean, he's got custom painted dark blue headlight housings. I don't know if y'all can tell. They are like a dark blue in there, if you can tell that. You can tell a little bit right there. It's kind of a dark blue with the outline halos, and then his lift is going to be that exact same dark blue. So he's going to have the white wrap, the red wheels, red spike lug nuts, I believe, and then the dark blue. And I'm so freaking in love with this. It's going to be so freaking clean. Oh my God. Let's go see what they're doing. Turn your flashlight on so we can see the, what would you call this color?
It's like the rainbow flake in my car.
Except the white?
The white, yeah.
There's not a lot of people that are gonna remember that video, but
yeah.
Geez, that's...
Well, it's still on my hood. The rest of the car.
Oh yeah.
What's the what's the process that you have to go through to wrap something like this? Like,
so for this one, we literally had to tear apart front bumper, headlights, mirrors, handles, taillights, that light up at the top, and then we had to rip the bed off at one point.
I did see that. Yep.
To cover up the back of like those parts right there.
There's a lot
Pretty
more.
much all you do is you just spray with alcohol, wipe down.
Paint correct.
Okay.
Clay barn.
You have to paint correct, clay bar, and all
Yeah,
that.
so I'm sure there's a lot of
And then
prep
alcohol.
work that goes into something like this.
Pretty much a full detail inside
Yeah.
and out, and then.
And then you can,
Yeah.
yeah. So if I wanted to wrap, that would take so much. I don't even want to.
That's why you pay me.
We're not even. Yeah, we got, you know, mass appeal detailing. Then you got somebody to take pictures afterwards, and then you make it in a video on YouTube. I mean, you got full circle. You don't need anything else.
Yeah, I'm just saying. I'm a rapping guy now. I'm starting to rap.
Look at the helicopter. So I just got the terrible news. What is it, Monday? Monday. Today is Saturday. Noah, NZ Productions, is moving back to Jacksonville. Please insert the slow montage of sad music for his farewell.
It's been a long day.
Dalton, I'll take your nose.
We've taken a look at the wrap, we've taken a look at the wheels, and he's gonna let us see how he clear coats them. He does this for his business.
Ceramic coat.
Mass Appeal Detailing, link in the description for the Instagram. We are ceramic coating one of the wheels. Are we doing one of the wheels?
Yeah, I'll just do one more.
One of the wheels, just so you guys can see what goes into this. I've never seen this done before. I've always thought it was like a wrap or something that you put on it, but yeah. So, dude, look at his biceps. Damn. I didn't know that, like, I really thought it was like a wrap or something that you put on. I didn't know you just kind of squeeze it on and then
Buff it
wipe
in.
it in.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. I thought this was gonna be so much more exciting. I'm gonna put some like crazy music behind this and make it seem so like wiping in the wheels.
Does the sound matter right now?
What?
Sound matter right now, or you just put music over it?
In like 30 seconds. Is it me, or is there actually, can you see like a difference? It definitely, I mean, you cleaned it, so it looks a lot better.
In the sunlight and everything, the reflection that comes off of it is pretty nutty. Since we're just sitting here in the dark, it's not gonna really show too much.
And they were saying once he ceramic coats the wrap, the kind of rainbowy colors that y'all got are really gonna pop. So I'm gonna have to get a video of that after he does that.
I'll do it tomorrow.
You're gonna do it tomorrow?
Yeah.
Okay. So probably, if y'all can get me to 100 likes on this video, maybe we'll see it next time in the next video. Wink, wink. I know I'm asking a lot of you guys in this video, but one last thing before I finish the video off. So y'all know that I've done the plasti dip on the bow tie, but I have also gotten the metal bow tie. So that's plastic. This is a metal, like full metal bow tie. Like, I mean, if y'all can, I mean, that's metal. Huge shout out to white_bowtie_. His Instagram link is going to be in the description below, so y'all make sure to hit him up. Let's try and get him to 1,000 followers. I'm right at 10K, so y'all hit my link in the description below and hit me up on Instagram, because I'm like 200 away. I'm so close. Thank you guys so much for all the love and support. It's 10K is insane. So another comment below, let me know. I've been posting stuff on Instagram. A lot of y'all said the black. I'm definitely keeping the black, but now I need to decide, am I going to keep the all black, or do I switch over to the metal? So let me know in the comments. Love you guys so much. I will see you guys next time. Let's get this bread shirt. We always got to do it. I put this on just for the occasion. 100 likes, and I'll put those wheels right there on my truck. So y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. I love you so much, as always. Let's get this bread.
Yes, sir.
Damn, no, you're big, bro. Can't stand this kid.